As we land our motivation for peak performance workshop, keep in mind that what's the worst thing that can happen if you do something? You either succeed or you learn. And also keep in mind that you cannot rely on outside forces to keep yourself motivated. It is our responsibility to keep ourselves driven, to keep ourselves motivated. We cannot rely on others to drive us, to motivate us, to fuel us, to energize us. That is our own responsibilities. And when you're motivated to do something and you don't succeed, then you just learn from it. We don't really fail. We either succeed or we learn. Michael Jordan, in one of the articles, said that I missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. That's a lot of shots. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game winning shot and I missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeeded. My last advice in this motivational program is do not hesitate. Trust yourself, take an action. Do it now.